And if the cleaner is on the side in the pool and doesn't right itself, this float here may have water in it. To replace this float, you have to take the body off. I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, you have to remove the tail sweep here. And you'll take this part and pull on it. Hold this part firmly with your hand and pull on this part and it should come off. Okay, there are 3 screws on the bottom. Go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Okay, go ahead and pull the bottom off. Now you want to remove the water management system by taking these 3 screws out. Okay, now you want to take the water management system and pop it back up. It should pop right off the cleaner. This whole piece will come off. Okay, there are 2 screws holding on the top. One here. There's one here also. Once you remove these 2 screws, the top will slide off and then you can replace the float. Okay, this will slide right off like this. So there's 3 screws holding on the top here. And these 3 screws are different from the screws that hold on the body, so put these aside. This top part should come right off. And you simply unscrew the float. And the float comes right off like that. So you simply get the new float and put it in here. Put everything back together. Put these 3 screws back in. You want to put the screw back on the float. You want to put the screw in here that's holding on the front. Then you want to put the screw back on that's holding on the back. You want to make sure when you slide it in that this part is underneath the frame here of the top of the body. Show us to snap in like this here. This is the correct installation of the back. I'm going to reattach the 3 screws here. Okay, you slide the bottom on, we'll put the 3 screws back in. Okay, then you slide this back onto the cleaner. We'll take the clip and put it back on. Just make sure when you reattach the lower body that it clips together with the top like this here. If you notice any gaps here, it's not on correctly, you have to reassemble the bottom again. It should look something like this if you reassembled it correctly. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.